Let me now show you one of the most important advantages that Webpack provides, which is using the import and the export keyword in the browser. Suppose that I have here a new module. Let's create a new module. Here I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to name it numbers.js. And this numbers.js is just going to return a simple function. So here var and then numbers, and it's going to be equal to a function called numbers, just function, and this function is going to return an array of numbers. Return 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. And we need to export this numbers module, export numbers, and we need to use it. We need to use this file in the index.js. So in the index.js at the top, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import numbers from this directory and then numbers from the numbers.js. So that way, what I told index.js, hey index.js, go ahead and import this file into the index.js, and let's try to use it. So I'm going to use the console to display console and then log, and then I'm going to call the numbers function, numbers. Here, by the way, it's called numbers, so it should be here numbers and here numbers, and then we call the numbers function. So this should return an array, right? But if we use the unbundled version of JavaScript, which is here source/index.js, without using Webpack, look what's gonna happen. If I go to the browser and refresh, look what's gonna happen. First of all, jQuery isn't working, and here in the browser we have an error. Here it says can't use import statement outside a module. So we have an error and the numbers function isn't working. But if I go ahead and bundle our JavaScript file using the terminal. So in the terminal, I'm going to type again npx and then webpack and then hit enter. So it's going to bundle your JavaScript, your index.js again into the main.js. And now in the index.js, let's use the bundled version. Here dest and then slash and then main.js. And in the browser, if I refresh, guess what's going to happen? jQuery now is working, and the numbers module now is working in the terminal. Let me zoom in so that you can see now. As you can see in the terminal, in the console, we have here the array, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the numbers module. So it's working now because we are using Webpack. So this is another advantage of using Webpack. It made the import and the export understood by the browser.